Okay, now we need to check if this is working, but before that we need to fix an issue here. Okay, so now this is appearing. We need this logout button to appear only in one case, only when we are authenticated. Otherwise, we do not want the logout button to appear. So let us now check what is the state. If we checked with Redux, currently we are authenticated, and that's fine. So let us check the functionality of the logout button. When we click on it, we become not authenticated, and as you could see, the state changes successfully. Let us check if the local storage has been removed, the data has been removed. Okay, there are some data that has been removed, but the token is not yet removed. Let us check why did this happen. It's because we should name it ID token. This token is old, so we could just ignore this. Let us make sure that we have everything is called ID token and not token. So here it's called ID token, which is correct. And in the persistence, it's called, which is fine. So this token was actually old. So let us try now to log in. Okay, cool. Now we are authenticated and we have ID and we have token in the state, and we have ID token in the local storage and the ID. Okay, let us log out. So now we could make sure that the functionality is working. So let us hide this button when we are not authenticated. What we could do is read from the Redux state and remove this null and replace it with map state to props. Currently the state contains some useful data for our component that we need to get, and we could use map state to props equals state. What do we need to get from the state? We need to know whether we are authenticated or not. So we could have a prop that is called is authenticated in our component that maps to state dot is authenticated, and we could use this prop down here this dot props dot is authenticated and this part. So let us check how will it work now. So currently there is no logout button, so what we did is fine. Let us check after logging in. The logout button appears. So this is actually cool. For now I need to commit all of these changes. I could add this commit name, add Redux, but we need to switch to another branch. We could name this branch E auto Redux, and just push to it. So this could act as a checkpoint for you. In the next video, we would need to start with adding a profile tab and a profile route.